let's start. After finish, we go and take a bath.
Yay!
What is that?
A hula hoop. A dragon.
So what the next?
Jump rolls. But when I do jump rolls, I cannot.
You must try. You practice, then you will know how to. Whoop! Yeah! One more. Yes, man, you can.
But I need to put it in like this together.
It's okay. It's the same. I make it short for you. You
Drop.
try again. Oops. Yep. One leg is still. It's okay.
I cannot do the hula hoop. I need to do my stomach. I need to do my stomach.
Wow.
What happened?
It's okay. Try again. Just try again. It's okay.
What happened? Why it goes so slow?
Yeah.โอ้โหจะฮูลาฮุกแล้วก็กังนำด้วยเหรอ You can do it
Yes. Oh, but can I die?
Enough It's enough
But I cannot move like this. I cannot move like that.
If you can do it, you very excellent.
Excellent.
Ow. Okay, let's take a bath.
When I do like that, I can do it. When I jump.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye.